moving on to the another session of Be Inspired. Another session of your chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas. Okay, so before going into the topic, please share, like, subscribe my channel, and if you hit this notification bell icon, you never miss my updates. Okay, students, if you have any doubts, please ping me in the comment section. I will be ready to clear your doubts. Okay, students, now all of you open your maths textbooks, page number 51. So the topic here we are going to move is curves. Can you see that different shapes are drawn on this? All these are examples of your curves, and if you observe first one and second one, can you identify what is the difference? Just observe little bit carefully, you will be easily able to identify that. Yes, of course, it is open and it is closed. What do you mean by closed curve and open curve, students? Simple. Open curve is nothing but the name itself is saying that it is not going to be closed, whereas closed curves are those the starting point and ending point should be the same. Then we can say those such type of curves are called closed curves. Okay. So what he given here we will see now. Observe figure 1 and 2. What is the difference? Yes, you said already this is open curve, first one, second one is closed curve. Figure 2 is called closed curve and figure 1 is called open curve. What we said, the same thing he also said. Also observe that the curves 3 and 7 cross themselves. Yes, this one and this one is cross, and 7th one is also cross like this, which are not closed, whereas 1, 2, 4 and 6, 1, 2, 4th and 6th one, okay, do not cross. Not only 4th, 5th one is also not cross each other, right? Yeah, he said 5th one also. So they are not crossed each other, so which are closed and open curves. Okay. So this 3rd one and 7th one, that does not belongs to either closed curve or open curve. In everyday language, curve usually does not refer to a straight line. But in mathematics, a straight line is also called curve. So the 4th example, it is showing a straight line. So actually we will not get a straight line, right? So but in maths, we will call even a straight line also curve. Curves means what? Like this, it should be in a jumble manner. Only in maths, we are calling this straight line also curve. That's what he is trying to explain to us. Okay. And now we will move on to think, discuss and write. What is this think, discuss and write? Okay, 1 second. Okay, so move your pencil along the following English letters and state which are open and which are closed. So based on the above examples, now we will move on this. It is not crossing each other, so we can say by this it belongs to a curve. And next thing is, and it is not closed, so that is the reason it is open curve. And circle, of course, we all know that O is starting and ending point is same. That is the reason it is called closed curve. And L also is not intersecting each other, so it is a open curve. And this is also open curve. Tell which letter is an example of simple curve. O, of course, O. Now we'll move on to the next one. Try these. Identify which are simple curves, which are not. Okay. This is a simple curve. This is a simple curve. This is not simple curve. This is not simple curve. Why it is not simple curve? Because it is overlapping on the other one. And this is also coming like that only. So that is the reason these two are not simple curves, and whereas these two are simple curves. Now we will just try to see which are simple curves, which are not simple curves. Okay, with some more examples. So in this question they are asking which of the following are closed or open curves. So the first one, both are circles only, so we can easily say that this too belongs to closed curves. And this is also closed, and here all are open, and here all are closed, and here it is open, and this is also open. So what he given, open figure sides do not touch and closed figure sides do touch. So in this the closed figure will give stick like this, and this one okay, this is also closed because all the sides are closed here, and triangle is also there. This is also ellipse, not exact circle this one, but it looks like an ellipse there, and rectangle here. Now you just go through it one more time, whether is there any shape which is not going to be closed. Okay, so we didn't miss anything. Now we'll move on to the next. Open or closed shapes. For open we will write O, and for closed we will write C. So this is closed shape, this is also closed shape, this is open shape, this is not a curve, this is open shape, and this is closed shape. One second. This one is closed, this is open because it is open here, and this is also open like this, and all the three sides are closed, and here also the 4-point star is also closed. See here the star is open, and here also the circle is not closed, and here all the 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides are closed, and here it is open. All the edges touch each other, so it is also closed. This is open, this is closed. Crescent is an example of closed shape. This is open, this is also open. So in this way you can write your own closed shapes or open shapes. So in this class what is the important thing we learn in mathematics? Actually simple closed curves or open curves are those which does not looks like straight line, but whereas in maths we are going to consider even a straight line as closed curve. So that is the reason here simple closed curves, straight line also will come an example. Okay, don't forget that, students. Okay students, you have to today's question, today's homework will be, in your surroundings what are the closed shapes and what are the open shapes. You can see in your surroundings only, you should not go more than that. Okay, you try to write down in your surroundings what are the closed shapes you observed and what are the open shapes, open curves, okay, you observed. Just observe and try to write me in the comment section. Okay students, bye, meet you tomorrow.